ABN, which is an advance beneficiary notice. See, do you think that for all the services that the healthcare provider does, you think that he gets paid for it? No, he doesn't. The doctor will be paid only for medically necessary services because the insurance company is very strict. Medicare is pretty strict. It will only cover services that are medically necessary and reasonable. Say for example, the doctor is doing a service, but unfortunately that is not covered by the insurance company. Do you think the patient is liable? Here you should understand, for a Medicare beneficiary, you will have to give a prior notice to the patient and then you can make the patient accountable. So that is called as an advance beneficiary notice. It is advance, meaning even before the rendering of service, the doctor should make the patient get a form signed. That is an ABN, advance beneficiary notice. Perhaps a doctor failed to comply with this, then in that case, a doctor cannot make the patient accountable for the money that is being lost because it is his duty to get it signed prior to rendering the service. In case if the insurance company pays, that is fine. But if the insurance company denies the service is not medically necessary, then it's actually a setback for the provider. So to ensure that the doctor receives the appropriate reimbursement for a service that which he thinks is medically needed, then he can make the patient accountable.